Hi, this is Rohit with an internship program from Spark Foundation, Data Science and Business Analytics. TSF Grip Task hashtag 2. Let's check out what is TS Task hashtag 2. Prediction using unsupervised machine learning from the given iris dataset. Predict the optimal number of cluster and represent it visually. Using R or Python, perform this task, and the link of the dataset is given. Let's jump into the solution. So first of all, I've imported some libraries like pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and sklearn. From sklearn, I've imported datasets, and from sklearn.matrix, I've imported salute scores, sample and salute score. So here I've loaded the iris dataset from dataset.loadiris and making a data frame of it. And we have 4 columns: sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width. Now preparing the data. So after preparing the data, so we are using elbow method to find optimal number of clusters. So I'm importing k-means from sklearn.cluster. Creating an variable WCSS with in a cluster sum of square, running for the loop to find out how many number of clusters we have to form. So making an k-means object and cluster equals to I, init equals to k-means value iteration maximum 300 times, and init equals to 10 and random state equals to 42. So after running that, we have plot this graph and we get an elbow shape. From 3, the line is straight, not like an angle type anything is observed in the graph. So we came to conclude that 3 number of clusters can be formed for this data set. So applying k-means number of clusters equals to 3 init k-means plus and predicting the x variables on k-means and storing it in the y-means as an object. So visualizing the clusters, target names, Setosa, Versicolor, Virginica. So visualizing the 2 matrices, plotting on this how the cluster is divided. You can see the blue color is Versicolor, red color is Setosa, green color is Virginica, and the yellow color is centroid of the 3 clusters. And performance matrix. So we are using salute score to check the performance of our k-means cluster. So it is getting calculated. The salute score for the 2 is not so good. For 3, you can see its line is coming from the between. It is fine. For 4 and for 5 and for 6, it is showing that how it is divided. So thank you so much for the presentation. Thank you.